your content is not growing because you are doing too much. If your content is all over the place, it's not the algorithm. Your focus should be about your niche. Because clarity should always be your focus, not doing more ideas. Start with your one topic. For example, it's about your lifestyle. You are going to calibrate lifestyle. That's very broad niche. Make it narrow. How do you make your content narrow one? You reduce that, you unpack that into specific. In as much as a narrow niche would mean what you are creating and to whom you are creating. So do not use lifestyle. You reduce. Unpack that one. Example, lifestyle of beginners creators. You see the difference? You are concentrating on specific idea. Number 2, audience. Focus only to one audience, not all creators. So for example, you would be using the word growing creators. You will make content for growing creators or beginners creators or whatever it is. Do not create content for everyone. That's a broad content. Number 3, you must choose one format. If your notification or Facebook is telling you that your content is performing more on long form, short form, text posts, stories posts, or photo posts, then concentrate more of that, your format. And if you are gaining your excellent performance output on video under 10 seconds, then focus on that. Or 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes video. Study the signals of all of your content format. Do not change it. Because if you would be constantly changing, then your audience will be confused. They will not be staying with you long. That is according to my experience. Because content growth does not come from doing more. It comes from doing right the things that you are supposed to do as a content creator. Simplify your content. Sharpen your message. Until that day, your audience, the viewers, will finally get you.